Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today. Yes, today in the daily newspaper of Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, November the 10th, 2022. We have here only one regular Sudoku. It's a medium Sudoku. We have also an additional with extra puzzles. I believe there are 7 extra puzzles. The letter Sudoku we have here, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars, and one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cijfer block. And the last one is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. Otherwise, it's too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Otherwise, it will be a day job for me. Alright, what's the news of today? Well, let me see here. I believe the Russian army. Yes, the Russian army retreat in Ukraine. Yeah, retreat and the city of Cherson. Yeah, they left. Yes, that's the news. So let me continue with this one. With the medium Sudoku. Medium Sudoku number. This will be number 5458. Yes. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve. But for a medium Sudoku, in this case 26, if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 star Sudokus, in additional, this will be a 2 stars Sudoku. And for 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So is this really a 2 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. All right. Let me see. How about the number? Let me see the number. We have a 2 in this row, the 2 in the third row. So the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the third column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 2 in the first column. 2 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column, so the column between the only place left for the 2 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 2. How about, let me see. The 8 in this column, the 8 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 6. Okay. Then. Let me see. 3. Alright. 8. 3. 6. Come on. Well. 5. Yeah. Come on, where's the opening? The opening. Looking for the opening. 1. Ay. I'm looking for the opening. I cannot see the opening here. Yes, 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in the middle column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So the row between only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in the middle column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can't see. This is number 1, number 2. Alright. Okay. Then. Let me see. 3. Come on. 6 and a 9. Yeah. Come on. 7 should be here. I'm thinking. 7, 4. Right. Okay, 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in this column. No 8 in these 2 boxes here, and 8 in the last row. No 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column. 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. All right. Okay, let me zoom this. Right position this. 8. Cannot continue with 8 now. How about? Yeah. 9 and 6. 9 and 6. 9 and 6. Okay. 9 and 6. Yeah. 7. Thinking. 2, 8, 5. Thinking. 5. 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4, 5, 9. 4, 5, 9, 4, 5, 9, 4, 5, 9. And look, we have 4 and a 5 in this row. So no 4 and a 5 in this box. The 4 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 here. In the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for number 9. Right. 1, 3... and 4. Need a 4. 4. Okay. 3, 3. 1 could be everywhere. Yeah. I'm thinking. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the first row. No 4 in these 2 boxes. Yeah, 4 in the third column. No 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So the row between second row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4. Okay. 4. 4. Okay. Cannot continue with the 4. No. How about 7? Yeah. Yes. 3. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the first row, no 3 in these two boxes. Here, 3 in the second row, so no 3 in that box. So the only place left for the 3 in the third row should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So third column, first column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3, 3, wait. Cannot continue with 3 now, need to wait. Oh, wait. 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 7. 6, 9, 7. Well. 6, 6. 6, 6. 6, 6. Thinking. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9. 6 and a 9. 6 and 9. 7, 9. 9. 5. Yeah. 5, 5. 5, 5. 7, 7. 7. Yeah. 7, 7. 7, 1, 1. And 6. 6, 6. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 1, 6, 7. 1, 6, 7. 1, 6, 7. 1, 6, 7. And look, we have a 1 and a 6 in this row. So no 1 and 6 in this box. The 1 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in the first column. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 7. 7 in the third column. 7 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row. 7 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next to only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see here 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this third row, 7 in the second row, so the first row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 7. 1 box left in the first row for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 1 in the second row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5, 6, 9. 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9. And look, we have a 5 and a 6 in this row. So no 5 and a 6 in this box. The 5 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 5 in the last column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 9. Oh, wait, 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 6 goes there. The 1 in this row. The 1 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here the 1 in the second column. So no 1 there. 1 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers are 1. We have a 1 in the middle column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row. One in the middle row, so on the row above, the only 2 places left for the one should be here or there. We see here one in the last column, no one there, one should be there. And all the ones are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 1. Alright. Then 2 missing numbers now. In this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this first column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers. In this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there, 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. So we have an 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above, so in that row, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the last column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used, I can see. This is number 4, number 8. 1 box left in this middle row for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing, 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 6 in the last column, so no 6 there, 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright, then, 1 box left in this column for number, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 box left in the third column for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this middle column, so no 9 there, 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Well. That means here also 4 and the 5 are missing in this row. 4 and a 5. Yeah. And how about the last row, 4 and the 5 also? Yeah, 4 and a 5. That means 1 box left in this big square for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5. The 6 is missing. Oh, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column. Overlooked. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Last 2 numbers, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 now in this row. No 5. We have a 4 here in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Told you, 15 to 20 minutes I need for solving a 2 stars Sudoku. Yes, it's indeed a 2 stars puzzle. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. You think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again later on with the other 4 puzzles in additional. Until then, bye-bye for now.